My name is Darren Smith. I'm the Programme Leader for Football Coaching and Management, but I also lecture on sports business and coaching and talent development and coaching. Undergrad coaching programmes, we kind of put the students in a situation that they might work in the industry in the future. So from the first week, we put you in situations where you might have to coach young kids. In the past, we've brought in specialist disability schools for the students to work with from week one at level 4, which is great for them to understand what they might be doing in the future and actually trying to work out how you work with young people. Coaching adults as well, so it's not just strictly the youngsters we work on, we work with adults as well. Throughout my career, grassroots is actually where I've developed most to work in a professional football environment. So we don't just look at the nice glossy professional football clubs, we look at real life experiences of working in leisure centres, working in schools, because that's actually where you can kind of get your tools, coaching tools we call them, together and develop them. What's unique about our coaching programme firstly is going to be the staff. When you walk through the door, it's not a typical suited and booted lecturer. I'm always in a tracksuit, and it's about bringing the classroom to life out on the pitch. So probably one of our benefits when you apply for one of our courses, you know we've worked in the industry and we're not just kind of reading from a book or from a screen. We actually had those real life experiences of what it's like to be in a pressurized situation, having someone tell us we've got to produce another international player, or being in an environment where the 3 points count on the weekend. And we can kind of bring that to life for the students, as well as the academic side and the research side. We can actually apply it to what actually happens out on the grass. What you can expect: lots of smiles, lots of learning, lots of challenges, and being put out of your comfort zone, because I think you develop best being challenged more. And then those unique experiences that I don't think many universities can offer in terms of our placements and where we put the students. So a lot of the students from year one have volunteer placements in organisations. I've had students in the past that have worked for big sports brand from level 4, which is great. Of our students that come to UCFB and still want to continue with their football career, I think we offer a perfect environment, especially now that we have a female and male academy full-time programme where students can train with top-level coaches. So currently our staff within our academy teams are A-licensed coaches, and quite nice about that programme is, even though they look after the academy teams, those staff also work with some of our other teams, so our second and third teams. So the coaches of those teams get support from A-licensed coaches. Students get to train 3 times a week, special training times, so they get time off the timetable to focus on their football, but then they get support academically to make sure they're not falling behind. So you can come to UCFB if you've just left the system of the professional game with the hope to get back in, but also get education along the way. And I think that's something quite unique, especially that we are evolving around sport.